Most people think coffee and energy drinks are the answer to an energy bump. Grab a mug of coffee, crash 2 hours later, grab another one. That's not energy. That's a loan with a brutal interest rate to your body. Here's the thing nobody at the grocery or supplement store is telling you. Your body already knows exactly how to produce real, sustained energy. It does it every single day. What it's missing isn't caffeine or taurine or some patented blend you can't pronounce. It's raw micronutrients that are delivered as fast as coffee, but in a form that is lighter on your heart, bloodstream, and cardiovascular system. A single glass of the right juice, made the right way, gets those nutrients into your cells faster than almost any food you could eat. It doesn't take hours, but only a few minutes for those nutrients to enter your cell. That's the awesome mechanism behind every juice recipe. And once you understand it, you'll stop wasting money on things that don't work. There's one more thing most people get wrong from the start. They think juice is juice. Pour some orange juice from a carton, call it done. That's not what we're talking about. Pasteurized, shelf-stable juice is heat-treated and completely processed. The enzymes are dead, and a lot of the vitamin content is degraded. It's basically sugar water with a healthy label on it. Fresh juice is different. It has antioxidants, enzymes, and B vitamins that actually drive your energy and metabolism. However, these nutrients start to break down and vanish the moment they come in contact with air. So it is essential to drink it within 15 to 20 minutes of making it. Waiting more than an hour to drink it has the potential to significantly reduce the nutrient in that drink. Most people think energy comes from caffeine, sugar, or sheer willpower. It doesn't. Real energy is created inside your cells by tiny structures called mitochondria. Their job is to convert the food you eat into ATP, the molecule that powers virtually every process in your body. But ATP production doesn't happen on its own. Your cells need oxygen, iron, and key nutrients such as vitamins B1, B2, B3, B6, and B12 to keep that energy system running efficiently. Iron plays a particularly important role because it helps carry oxygen through your bloodstream. Without enough oxygen reaching your tissues, energy production slows down and fatigue starts to set in. And here's where vitamin C becomes crucial. Vitamin C dramatically improves the body's ability to absorb iron from food. If your vitamin C intake is low, iron absorption can suffer, reducing the amount of oxygen delivered throughout your body and leaving you feeling tired, sluggish, and drained, even after a full night's sleep. Here are 3 juices that will really help you for overall health. Recipe 1. Beetroot, carrot, and green apple. This recipe is specially for someone who's just getting into juicing and wants to feel a difference fast. Juice together 2 large beets, 4 medium carrots, 1 inch of fresh ginger, half a lemon, and 1 green apple. Drink it immediately. What makes this juice so effective isn't hype, it's biology. Beets are rich in nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This helps widen blood vessels, improving circulation and oxygen delivery throughout the body. More oxygen reaching your cells means more efficient ATP production, the energy source that powers everything from your muscles to your brain. That's one reason beet juice has been popular among endurance athletes for years. Ginger may help support healthy circulation and gives the juice an energizing kick. Carrots provide natural carbohydrates for quick fuel, while also delivering antioxidants like beta-carotene. The lemon adds vitamin C, which helps improve iron absorption and supports healthy oxygen transport. Instead of targeting one energy pathway, this juice supports circulation, oxygen delivery, nutrient absorption, and cellular energy production, all in a single glass. Recipe 2. Celery, cucumber, and spinach. The second recipe targets an energy problem most people don't even realize they have: chronic low-grade dehydration. You may not feel thirsty, you just feel foggy, sluggish, and mentally flat. Juice together 4 stalks of celery, half a large cucumber, 2 green apples, 1 cup of spinach, and a full lemon. What makes this juice different is its hydration profile. Celery and cucumber provide natural electrolytes including sodium and potassium, which help your body retain and utilize water more effectively. That's very different from simply drinking large amounts of plain water. The spinach adds iron, vitamin B6, and other nutrients involved in energy production and oxygen transport. The lemon contributes vitamin C, which helps improve iron absorption and supports overall nutrient uptake. The result is a juice that supports hydration, circulation, and cellular energy at the same time. If you've been feeling tired despite getting enough sleep, dehydration could be part of the problem. Sometimes restoring energy starts with restoring hydration. Recipe 3. Pineapple, turmeric, and mint. The third recipe is designed for mental energy. Physical fatigue and brain fog aren't always the same thing, and they often require different solutions. Juice together 2 cups of pineapple chunks, half an inch of fresh turmeric root, 1 inch of fresh ginger, 1 peeled orange, and 4 to 5 fresh mint leaves. Pineapple contains bromelain, a digestive enzyme that may help your body break down and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Turmeric provides curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Why does that matter? Because chronic low-grade inflammation can quietly drain your energy. Your immune system requires significant resources to operate, and when it's constantly active, mental sharpness can suffer. Ginger adds an energizing kick, while mint does more than improve flavor. Research has linked peppermint aroma with increased alertness and sustained attention. The result is a juice that supports digestion, helps combat inflammation, and promotes mental clarity. Drink it before a demanding work session when you need focus, concentration, and a little extra mental edge. A few hard rules that apply to all of these. First, green juice in particular should be mostly vegetables with just enough fruit to make it drinkable. If your juice is sweet, it's probably too fruit heavy. Heavy fruit juice spikes blood sugar. You'll feel good for 40 minutes and then crash. Aim for a ratio of roughly 70% vegetables to 30% fruit. Another important point to remember is that real changes in energy from daily juicing compound over days and weeks, not hours. The people who report dramatic shifts, better sleep, sharper focus, physical stamina, are individuals who have been juicing for a minimum of 2 to 3 consistent weeks. Your body isn't going to fix a months-long deficiency in a single glass, but give it daily raw material to work with, and it responds faster than most people expect. The beet carrot ginger recipe in the morning. The green electrolyte recipe if your afternoons fall apart. The pineapple turmeric recipe when you need your brain working. Run any one of these for 2 weeks and track what happens. The numbers don't lie, and neither does how you feel getting out of bed.